Hello and welcome. Andrew is here, and here is the short story. Okay, eBay changed, many dropshippers are out of business, dropshipping is dead. Really? Not really. I will show you right now who is dead and who is winning. Okay, very short, very straightforward. Just follow me. Let's say this is how it happens, and this is what eBay is kicking out of their platform right now. Okay, so watch me. Let's say we take something here. We take something, let's say blue, don't tell, let's say orange. Orange juice. No, not juice, I don't need juice. Orange juicer. Let's go for orange juicer. Okay, this is actually was something I was looking for in like this. I was looking just a few days ago. Let's take this one for example. Okay, looks nice, I like this. I have to order maybe myself because this is what I like. So basically what happened, people find some product, they even don't find the product, okay, because they use all sorts of those tools, and when you use all sorts of tools, look what happened. Citrus juicer, compact juicer for healthy juices. That's enough. We just copy this and then we go to eBay, and on our eBay we just paste. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We got what? We got 14 results. Exactly the same. Yep. We got all nice juicers here. Let's dig in a little bit. You'll see what happened. I just took a title, citrus juicer extractor, compact juicer for healthy juices, oranges, lemons, limes, and blah, 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 blah. Okay, citrus juicer extractor. Dash citrus juicer extractor, compact juicer for healthy, blah, blah, blah. So what this person is doing is just copy paste, okay, using some kind of weird tool, I guess, okay. No sales, obviously it's no sales. See other items, 14,000, of course not. And so let's see another one. The same title, just price different, double price, okay? Okay, what's next? Oh, different picture, okay, but the same title, Dash Citrus Juicer Extractor, Compact Juicer for Healthy, blah, blah, blah. So, I don't think he sold it. No sales, 96%. So let's do next one. Let's check next one. 40. Okay, Dash Citrus Juicer Extractor. All of them. Dash Citrus Juicer Extractor. Open box. Here is one other. Okay, we will get to that one. Let's take this one anyway. Maybe somebody is selling. No, not selling. Just for the interest. No. Nothing happened there. Let's go take a next one. This is the Dash Citrus Juicer Extractor. The same. That's why they don't have sales now, because they don't do the work. If you want to earn money, guys, you have to do the work. But I just want to go through them to prove you that this is nonsense. This is totally nonsense. 42,000 listings and it not selling because 42,000 copy-paste listings. This is what is against eBay's policy. eBay said such kind of dropshippers we have to stop now, who is using all those tools. So they thought they will overload the eBay platform with all kinds of like just copy-paste item and they will earn some money. Sorry, but it's not happening anymore. So let's just proceed our search and see if any of them are actually selling. No sales. They're not selling this. Okay, this one. No sales. What's the next one? I think we can go all of them. It doesn't matter which one we take. They are not selling. eBay said, we will gonna stop this, and this is what they did, they stopped. But if you are smart enough, and if you can take and make your own title for the same juicer, you will gonna sell it. but you have to make your own title, and you will be successful. You will sell every day and you can make a profit. This is not what is against the eBay now. eBay still promoting themselves, such as sellers who are making their own title, their own keywords, and their own pictures. Okay, now it's the best time to do dropshipping if you want to make money. Here is the short story of what's happening, just a very short view. Okay, thanks for watching and let me know if I can help you somehow. Bye bye.